Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to access and use the Magic Media tool inside Canva. So as you might know, Canva Magic Media tool can generate AI images and AI videos from your text prompts inside Canva. And if you want to use this tool, you have to have a Canva Pro subscription. If you do not have one, you can use the link in the description below and get a 14 or 30-day free trial of Canva Pro. And then you're going to be able to use Magic Media inside Canva to generate AI images or videos. So how you can access this tool? So if you have a subscription, there are two easy ways to access this Canva Magic Media tool. So as I already use this tool, it will show up in my sidebar here, as you can see here. But if you do not see it in your sidebar, you can either click on apps, and then I've already searched for it, so it shows up first. But if you do not see it here, just search for Magic Media, and then the tool will show up here, and then you're going to be able to click on it, and as you can see now you can start using it. If for some reason you cannot find the tool in the apps section of your sidebar, you can just simply Google the term Canva Magic Media and click on the first result, and this will open up the Canva Magic Media tool as well. So once you have opened up the tool, it's really easy to use. So as you can see, you can generate AI videos or AI images, and all you have to do is add the text prompt here. So let's say we have a website about trees, and so we want to generate a logo for a website. In that case, I would add a simplistic image of a tree, because website logos are usually very simplistic and minimalistic. So let's add minimalistic instead. Then you can add the style here, so what kind of style you want. As you can see, if you click see all, you can see that there are over 20 styles here. So photo, realistic, neon, high flash, playthrough, a lot of styles you can experiment with. And last but not least, you have the aspect ratio, so you can select square, landscape, or portrait. And then you have 500 credits per month, so one generation is 1 credit, and it will refresh every month. So once you have added your text prompt, just click on generate image, and it will generate 4 AI images using this text prompt. So you have to wait a couple of seconds for the generation to be complete. And here we go. I really like these ones. So you can select the one you like, and you can use that in your designs if you want to do that. And by the way, if you go to the uploads, these designs you have used in your AI generations will also show up in the uploads section. So I have other tutorials on the Magic Media tool on how to generate AI coloring pages, stickers, t-shirt designs, and a lot more. So if you're interested in more details on how to use the Magic Media tool, make sure to check out those tutorials as well. But all in all, this is how to access and use the Canva Magic Media tool. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make Money with Canva checklist for free, where we reveal a ton of ways how you can make money with Canva and get other free Canva online marketing and AI resources, make sure to check out the links in the description below, where you can also sign up for Canva Pro for 14 days for free. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Canva, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlist, because we have over 1,000 free tutorials.